Hey everyone, welcome back to Budget Along with me. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to use my ultimate budget planner, a fully automated Google Sheets template with 8 sheets that covers every single part of your finances. Income, expenses, debt, savings goals, net worth, everything in one file. Let's get into it. The first thing you'll see when you open the file is the dashboard. This is your command center. You've got 6 KPI cards at the top that auto-update from every other sheet automatically. Monthly income, total expenses, net savings, debt remaining, savings goals and net worth, all in one view. Below that is your budget overview. Green means on track, yellow means warning, red means overspent. You never have to manually calculate anything, it's all done for you. Now let's go to sheet 2, the income tracker. This is where you start. Always fill in your income first before anything else. Add every single income source, your full-time job, side hustles, freelance work, passive income from Gumroad or Etsy, interest from your savings account, everything goes here. The total monthly income automatically feeds into your dashboard and all your budget calculations. The more income sources you add, the more accurate your budget becomes. Sheet 3 is your monthly budget. This is the heart of the planner. You'll see all your spending categories already set up: rent, groceries, dining out, car payment, utilities, entertainment, savings and debt payment. All you need to do is set your budget targets in column B and log your actual spending in column C. The difference column calculates automatically. If you've overspent a category, it shows in red, and that one visual is enough to change your habits. I personally stopped overspending on dining out the moment I saw that red number every week. Sheet 4 is your daily expense log, and this is the sheet that makes everything work. Every time you spend money, even a $3 coffee, log it here. Date, description, category, payment method and amount. Takes 30 seconds. The monthly total, weekly total and today's total all auto-calculate at the top. I know it sounds tedious, but once you start seeing your patterns, like how much you're actually spending on food every month, it completely changes how you spend. Knowledge is power when it comes to money. Sheet 5 is the debt payoff tracker, and this one is a game changer if you have any debt at all. List all your debts: credit cards, car loans, student loans, medical bills, everything. The progress bar shows how far you've come on each debt. Now here's my top tip: focus on the highest interest rate debt first. That's called the Avalanche method. In this example, that's the Chase credit card at 22.99%. Paying that off first saves you the most money in interest over time. Every dollar extra you throw at it saves you more down the line. Sheet 6 is your savings goals, and honestly this is my favorite sheet because it keeps you motivated. Add your goal name, target amount, monthly deposit and deadline. The progress percentage and the status emoji update automatically. You go from started to halfway to almost to complete. Seeing that progress bar move is genuinely exciting. It keeps you accountable every single month. In this example, 2 goals are already complete: that vacation fund and holiday fund, and that feeling of ticking off a goal is absolutely priceless. Sheet 7 is the annual overview, and this one gives you the big picture view. You can see all 12 months side by side: income, housing, food, transport and every other category. The net savings row at the bottom auto-calculates for every month. This is where you spot patterns. Maybe you always overspend in December, or your food bill spikes in summer. Once you can see the full year at a glance, you can plan ahead and make smarter decisions before the month even starts. Sheet 8 is your net worth tracker, and this is the most powerful sheet in the entire planner. It's simple: total assets minus total liabilities equals your net worth. List everything you own: bank accounts, investments, pension, car value, electronics. Your liabilities automatically pull from your debt sheet so you never have to enter them twice. Your net worth number updates automatically. The goal is simple: make this number grow every single month. Even if it's negative right now, that's okay. Tracking it is the first step to changing it. And that's the complete ultimate budget planner, 8 fully automated sheets covering every part of your financial life. income, budget, expenses, debt, savings goals, annual overview, and net worth, all in one file, all automated. You can grab it on Gumroad for just $12, link is in the description below. If this video helped you, please smash that like button and subscribe for weekly money tips. I'll see you in the next one. Let's get that money right.